see my slide here? Right. Saya tak boleh delay this lecture because we have compact this subject from 3 credit to 2 credit. So kita tak ada minggu bulan madu ya, honeymoon week tak ada for this subject. So today I will continue with topic 1. Before that, this is my phone number and email. This email you need to remember and take note because kalau you absent, you need to email to me your MC letter or absent letter. If not, I will consider you as absent. And nanti kita pergi kenapa saya mention about this. And then this is my phone number. If you have any question related with DE, differential equation, you can ask me or text me, okay? So this is evaluation system and mark distribution for this course. You will have 3 tests represent 60% of your mark, and then you will have final exam 40%. So setiap test ni sangat penting lah. If you fail to answer these 3 tests, then dia akan effect lah you punya total mark. Okay, so be serious masa test. This is do and don'ts in my class. Okay, especially I want to stress about your attendance. I'm only accept reason related with medical or family things, but you must provide me with your absent letter or MC letter. Why? Because less than 75% of your attendance, you cannot enter final exam hall. This has been stated in Kaedah Proses Wazah UMS. So students should know about this. Okay. Have any question so far? Okay, good. And then saya tak share dekat you. Saya ada share ni kan kaedah. Surat kaedah dia teaching planning. Teaching plan untuk this subject. Ada saya upload tak dalam item? Okay, this is teaching plan for the subject. Okay, so this subject have 3 CO. CO1 about the first order differential equation. CO2 is about you need to solve second order differential equation. And the third one, you need to apply Laplace transform to solve differential equation. So CO1 and CO2, I will cover this topic. And then CO3, Dr. Nurul Syahadatul will take over. Okay. And then this is the chapter that you will learn in this semester. So my lecture will be online lecture until week 5. So week 6 we will have physical class. Is it okay for you? Means after Raya lah. Okay, so when we meet after Raya, you will have test 1. Okay, and test 2 in week 9. Usually saya akan buat revision on week 14, but depend on time lah. Kalau kita ada extra week, I mean we finish earlier than usual, so kita akan ada revision. Okay, clear?
Clear, doktor.
Alright.
By the way, doktor, ada orang lagi yang belum masuk.
Oh, oh, this batch, oh no, this semester we have 60 students, 59 students. Ramai. Buatkan saya nervous ya kalau ramai-ramai ni. Not because what, but to maintain the grade. Let me share with you some facts. Saya dah conduct this subject for 2 batch and 2 batch. 2 batch. So sepanjang these 2 batch, no one fail. Alhamdulillah. So I hope this batch boleh continue the grade. But this is not easy subject. Kalau program lain 20-30% of student fail is normal for this subject. So if you have any problems to solve any questions, DE questions, you can come to my room and we will discuss, okay? So I help you, you help me maintain the grade, okay? Okay. So we will start this class with some question. Kalau siapa yang dah download lecture note, then dia akan nampak lah soalan maths. This is revision SPM question. I mean, you dah belajar this one during SPM, so you should know how to answer this question. I give you 5 minutes and then saya akan point one of you, no, not one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you to give the answer. Let's do this 5 minutes. So everyone ada depan laptop ya, supaya bila saya panggil nama and then you can give your answer. Okay. Uh, for question 1, how about Fazli? Fazli is in here.
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so you are number 1. You have
Okay.
the answer?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So what the answer?
18x out of 2.
Okay. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The next lucky person is JC.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So your answer is
Uh, negative 5 over 4x.
negative 5 over 4x. Are you sure?
Uh, hmm.
Hmm. 5 is correct, but how about 4? You simplified the 10, but you don't simplify the 4.
Or negative 5 over 2x.
Yeah. Okay. Over x power of
Power 2.
2 or 3?
My bad, doctor. Hmm.
2 or 3? 2, right?
2. Is it?
Okay, this is correct. 2 or 3? 3, right? Because minus, right? You need to minus the power. But
Oh,
power
I see.
below is negative 3, so negative 2. So minus negative 2 minus negative 1, negative 2 minus negative 2 minus minus 1, so 3, right?
Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah.
So
3, 3.
the answer is negative 5 over 2x over
2x.
3.
3. Okay, doctor.
Okay, get it?
Yeah,
Okay, how
sorry.
about right? Never mind, we learn. Next question, C. Let us Nurhani. Tidak nama. Nurhani is here. Adakah? Tak ada ke? Nurhani tak ada. Dia ramai ni.
Hello, hello.
Ada pun.
Ah,
Yep. Nurhani,
uh,
your answer is
8x.
4x. Okay, correct. Uh, thank you. So the next lucky person is Helmi. Helmi, are you here? Dia ada kah?
Hello, hello.
Okay, ada pun. So your answer is
Negative sin x.
okay, correct. Thank you. And the last one, The last one is Izatul.
Hello.
Yeah.
My answer is for e to the power of 2x.
Okay, correct.
Okay.
So thank you so much. So everyone can answer it correctly. So mengurangkan sedikit rasa nervous saya. Okay. So I know each of you have a good basic on differentiate. Nanti saya akan test your basic on integration during pop quiz. You will have pop quiz in the end of this lecture. Okay. So assessment tadi, most of assessment is test, right? Okay, how about pop quiz? The pop quiz will contribute to your mark or not? So usually saya akan buat pop quiz, and this pop quiz will top up any lacking mark dalam you punya test 1, test 2 and test 3. Okay, so pop quiz ni usually soalan dia a bit easy compared to test. So try to answer pop quiz ni sebaik mungkin lah. Okay. Okay. So basic concept, module 1, basic concept of differential equation. In this module, we have introductions, terminology and classification, and then formation of differential equation. You will learn how to form differential equation, and then solution of differential equation. Solution of differential equation is a function. So you will learn how to find solution of DE. So basically DE is not 1 plus 1 equals to 2. No. Differential equation is an equation yang ada independent variables, there ada dependent variable, and then so this bila ada variable means that dia punya solution is not solid number. Dia akan jadi dalam bentuk function. For example, y equals to mx plus c. That we call as function. Okay. And then you will learn about initial and boundary problems. Okay. So by the end of this lecture, you should able to identify the ODE, ordinary differential equation, and then classify ordinary differential equation, form DE, and then determine the difference between general solution and particular solution, initial condition and boundary condition, and then initial value problems and boundary value problems. So summary of topics in differential equation, you will learn about ordinary differential equation first order, and then second order, lastly Laplace transform. As I mentioned previously, first order and second order I will teach you, and then Laplace transform Dr. Nurul Syahadatul akan take over. Okay, is it clear? Alright. Introduction. What is DE, differential equation? DE is an equation that relates one or more function. Okay, so in civil engineering we use this one a lot, but currently atau with current technology kita tak nampak lah, because this is behind the software. Okay, but behind the software actually each number generate by differential equation. If you involve in research activity, you akan jumpa a lot of differential equation. Okay, so this is the importance of DE. DE is important for engineer to be able to model physics problem using mathematical equation, and also to predict what will happen by using equation. Okay, this is example of first order differential equation application. As you can see in this slide, we have a water tank here. So in water or environment engineering, you will learn about water pollution concentration. So each of tank usually have amount of pollutant concentration, but the pollutant concentration dia akan vary atau change by time. So kalau you can derive differential equation for this case study, you boleh estimate at certain times or at fixed time how many concentration pollutant ada dalam water tank ni. So itulah salah satu application DE. Make our life as engineer easier. Sebab we can predict kalau kita sudah generate differential equation. Faham kah? Okay. Second order usually akan involve case study like bridge, hanging bridge. You nak calculate the tension, the stress of your bridge. So you will use second order differential equation. Laplace transform is another method of to solve DE. Dia tak susah Laplace transform ni, but once you dah understand, then you can answer any question easily. Okay. Based on my experience, most of my students don't have any problems with differentiate equation, differentiate method, but they have problems bila involve integration. Betul tak? Okay, so kalau siapa yang lemah integration, kena polish balik, buka balik buku latihan SPM and do the exercise. Okay, let's move to terminology and classification. Okay, what is DE? DE, we can write DE like this. dy dx. This is DE. d2y over dx power of 2 also DE. dn y over dx and also DE. But the difference between the first, second and third is power of DE. If your DE order 1, then you can write like this. If your DE is order 2, power of 2, then you can write like this. d power of 2y over dx power of 2. If your DE order more than 2, then you can write like, for example, 3. So you can write d power of 3y over dx power of 3. For this subject, you will learn only until second order, because most of our engineering problems involve until second order. Okay? Sebenarnya saya prefer buat kelas physical, face to face, so that saya boleh counting dekat whiteboard easily. But never mind, we try to. Oh yeah, saya lupa nak discuss about tutorial. Okay, based on previous batch, saya ada buat tutorial. Even though the subject is 2 credit, not necessary to have tutorial, but most of your senior request to have tutorial class. So how about you? If you decide to have tutorial class, then you punya self-learning teaching, self-learning SLT, self-learning teaching, I think akan bertambah. So okay, siapa ketua kelas?
Saya, Doktor. Said, yeah.
Okay. Said, you discuss lah with your friends. Either you want to have tutorial or not, and then find a one slot for us to run the class. If not, saya okay je kalau tak ada tutorial.
Okay, nanti kami bincang lah.
Yeah.
I will inform you. Okay.
Alright. Okay, thank you, Said. Okay, so understand this one? First order, second order, and third order. Okay, now we move to this one. What is ordinary differential equation? Nampak ke ni? Okay, what is ordinary differential equation? Ordinary differential equation means that you have only one independent variable. So we call it as ordinary differential equation. For example, in this equation, dy dx minus 2y equals to sin x. So in here, we have x as independent variable. So this dE, we call it as ordinary differential equation. If you have more than one, for example, y, x, z, then it is not differential equation ordinary. Okay? So in here, we only have x as independent variable, then it is ordinary differential equation. For this subject, you will only learn about ordinary differential equation. No z variables, only x. Okay? Okay, let's do some exercise. The following example, try to answer this one. For 1, dy dx plus y plus y tan x equals to sin 2x. So this is first order, right? Because dy dx power of 1. How about number 2? How about number 2? Is it first order, second order, or third order? Anyone? Okay, good. This is second order. And then the third one, second order because you have y double prime. Actually, dE you also can write y prime, y reference to first order, y double prime reference to second order. Okay, like this. This one is first order dE, and this one is second order dE. But we refer to the highest order to define that dE. Okay. So this one, the third equation, first or second? Or equal? Okay, good. So this is second order because you have x power of 2, d power of 2y over dx power of 2. Okay. So this is how we write our dE. Okay. Next, formation of differential equation. How you generate differential equation? Okay, panjang ni ayat dia. Nanti you boleh baca one by one. Okay, saya ambil important word sahaja. Okay, the formation of ordinary differential equation can also be done by eliminating arbitrary constant in a given expression. Do you know what is arbitrary constant? Arbitrary constant adalah constant yang ada dalam you punya function. Okay. Okay, let's see this example. Y equals to ax plus x power of 2. So a here referring to arbitrary function. So bila you dapat remove this a, then you boleh form differential equation. Second statement, okay, if y is expressed as a function of x which contain n arbitrary constant, then n differentiate are just sufficient to eliminate the constant and reduce the relation between y and x to form ordinary differential equation in order of n. Means that kalau you diberi function yang ada a constant, a arbitrary constant, so mesti you wondering how many times you need to differentiate to form correct differential equation, right? So depends on numbers of arbitrary function, arbitrary constant. If you have only one arbitrary constant, then you need to differentiate once only. For example, in this example 1.11, you have this function. This is the given function, y equals to ax plus x power of 2. And then they ask you to form ordinary differential equation, to form dE. So, as mentioned in this slide, you need to eliminate the arbitrary constant. So, in this question, you have one arbitrary constant. How many times you need to differentiate depends on the number of arbitrary constant. Here, arbitrary constant is 1. We have only one arbitrary constant, so you need to differentiate once. So after you differentiate once, you will get y prime equals to a plus 2x, right? So this is your differential equation. Faham tak? Okay. Easy, right? Let's see example 1.2. Okay. Example 1.2, you have how many arbitrary constant? How many arbitrary constant in example 1.2? This is the
One.
function. Okay, 1. So you need to differentiate how many times? Okay, so you differentiate 1, and then this is your differential equation. Okay, get it? So the right, and then after you get this dE, try to rearrange it in this form. Okay, in simpler form lah. Boleh? Boleh saya move to the next example? Okay. Next, okay. Example 1.3. But this is function. So they ask you to form ordinary differential equation. In this example, how many arbitrary constant you have? Okay, so you need to differentiate 2 times. So first differentiate, you will get this equation, and second differentiate, you will get this equation. So this is your final dE equation for this function. This function is equals to the solution of this one. Okay? Boleh?
Boleh, Doktor.
Alright. Okay, to check either your function sorry. This is not your dE yet. You need to eliminate the arbitrary constant, right? So this one, we still have A and B in the after differentiate twice, right? So we need to eliminate A and B. Remember this one? They say that you need to eliminate the arbitrary constant. So in in example 1.3, after you differentiate twice, you still have A and B. So what to do? You need to sub, I need my iPad pencil, but my iPad pencil masih lagi dalam uh, masih lagi atas tengah shipping. I need to write something to show the solution. Sekejap ya, saya cari solution. Let me share with you this solution. That's why saya prefer to have a physical class. But I understand most of you masih lagi bercuti kan? Sekejap ya. Okay. Since you differentiate twice, still can you see my slide, my PDF? Boleh kan? Okay. Since dua kali pun you differentiate still have arbitrary constant, so you need to remove it by using substitute equations to equation. Okay. Let's label dy dx yang you dah differentiate first tadi as equation 2, and then second differentiate as number 3. So we can eliminate A and B kalau dia punya what we call arbitrary constant same. For example, so this is first equation. If you multiply first equation second equation with x, so and 1 with 2, equation 1 with 2, so you akan dapat this one 4 and 5. So equation 4 boleh substitute masuk dalam equation 5. Why? Sebab you have 2a x power of 2 here and 2a x power of 2 here. So substitute 4 into 5 by using this one. So you akan dapat this equation, 6 equation. 6 equation 6 still have b. So to remove the b, you can multiply 3 here into x with x. So bila you multiply 3 equation 3 with x, you akan dapat equation this one, x dy dx over dx power of 2 equals to 2xa plus 20b x power of 4. Okay, faham ke ni? Do you understand? Okay, do you understand? Is it unclear or too fast? Okay, so equation 7 you can substitute into 2y because 2 have 2x power of 2xa, 7 also have 2xa, so you can substitute into it. Then you akan dapat equation 8. So 6 and 8 only remain one arbitrary constant. So to make arbitrary, so to remove the b, you can multiply 6 with 5 and 8 with x. So dia akan dapat similar similar this similar elements 5b 15b x power of 5. 10 pun akan dapat sorry it's not 10. 6 bila multiply by 5 you akan dapat this equation 9. 8 multiply by x you akan dapat equation 10. So akan ada dua yang sama, 15b x power of 5 and also 15b x power of 5. So this one boleh substitute. So bila substitute, finally you akan dapat this equation. No more arbitrary constant. Then this will be your dE. X power of 2 dyx over dx power of 2 minus 6x dy dx plus 10y equals to 0. Bolehkah? Nak saya repeat? Okay, dapat? Okay. So, samalah macam dalam lecture note. Finally, you akan dapat complete dE without any arbitrary constant. Okay? Bar. Any question? Boleh? Okay. Okay. So kalau tak ada soalan, we move to solutions of differential equation. Just now we create the dE. Now we want to find the solution of dE. Oh, sepatutnya saya jadikan example 1.4 tu you punya homework. Okay, tak apalah, saya explain tadi kan. Okay. Let's see the definition and statement. Okay. So far we say that dE express the relationship between dependent variable and derivative with respect to one independent variable. Okay. So dE are equation involving function and its derivative. As I mentioned previously, dE is not solid solution. They don't have solid numbers as their solution. Dia punya solution is a function. Okay. So to find function for that dE, you need to do integration. Okay. Actually, this function, kita tengok example 1.3 this function is actually solution for this dE. Remember dE, dia punya solution adalah function. So example 1.3 ni dE, this is dE, right? So dia punya solution is actually y equals to ax power of 2 plus bx power of 5. So kalau you dapat soalan diminta untuk cari solution for dE, for example question tanya you what is the solution for dE, d power of 2y over dx power of 2 equals to 2a plus 20bx x 20b x power of 3. So the solution atau solutionnya adalah this one, this function. So kalau you diberi soalan apa solution, apa sorry, Saya nak sesuai sekejap This soalan ini, example 1.3, dia minta you untuk generate DE, right? Sorry, example 1.4 dia minta, mana example tadi? Yang senang saya nak sebut sikit. Ini okay. Kalau soalan example 1.3, dia bagi you solution, dia minta you cari DE. Kalau ada soalan, so you do differential equation, right? Kalau ada soalan minta you untuk cari solution kepada DE, I mean reverse back, you tak boleh guna differential equation, you tak boleh guna differentiate method, you need to do integration. Still remember tak, differentiate is a reverse, integration is a reverse method to find function. Faham ke ni? Susah lah kalau tak boleh nak tulis. Saya kena menulis, kena write. Okay, tak apalah. Nanti next week saya akan pergi explain balik, okay? Next week saya akan explain balik. Saya akan buat step by step. Saya akan write. Doakan my iPad pencil sampai on time. Okay, so to find solution, if they ask you to find solution for DE, then you need to do integration. Okay, boleh? This is a step to do to find solution for DE. Step ni saya dah simplified, so easy lah for you to understand and find the solution. Follow saja step. If they give to you DE equation, then you need to differentiate the function of with respect to x in n times the order where n is the order of differential equation, and then substitute the result in step 1 into the original equation. Check whether the result expressed in step 2 is identical to the expressed on the right. This one you want to check either the function correct or belongs to that DE. This is the step. First, you need to differentiate the function. Second, you need to substitute things that you have differentiate into DE. And then the third one, you need to simplify the equation. So if equation in right and left side is equals each other, it means that that function is belong to that DE. Let's see this example 1.5. Saya kena buka balik saya punya solution. Okay. Example 1.5. They give you DE, and then they also give you function y equals to x, y equals to 0, y prime equals to 0, y double prime equals to 0. This is function. So they give to you y equals to 0 only as a solution. So this is function. This is function. This is given DE. So they want you to check either y equals to 0 is a solution for this DE. So how to check? As mentioned in step 1, you need to differentiate function too. So differentiate y equals to 0 is 0. Differentiate again, y equals to 0 is 0. So substitute these three value into DE back. So substitute, you akan dapat this one. step number 3, if both sides identical answer, then this function is belongs to DE. Okay, easy, right? Okay, faham Okay, let's see example B. Mana DE ni? So remember, if both sides equals have a same value, then that function is belongs to that DE. So example 1.5b, this is the DE is still same, but function, they give to you two functions, so you need to check both sama, this function belongs to DE or not. Okay, dapat? Kita kat B sekarang. Okay, so this DE still same DE. They want you to check either function y equals to exponential negative 3x is a solution for this DE or not, and function y equals to exponential 2x belongs to this DE or not. Same step, same method. You just need to differentiate. Okay, you need to differentiate y equals to exponential negative 3x. So you differentiate, you akan dapat this one. dy dx equals to negative 3 exponential negative 3x. Second times differentiate, you will get 9 exponential negative 3x. After that, you substitute these 3 value into DE. So you akan dapat this one, 9 exponential negative 3x plus negative 3 exponential negative 3x minus 6 exponential negative 3x. So solve this one, you akan dapat 0. So 0 on your left side, 0 also on your right side. So this functions is belongs to, is a solution for this DE. Okay? Boleh? Try to do another solution, another function. Y equals to what? Y equals to what? Y equals to exponential to x. Try to do that. See either you dapat ke tak jawapan macam diberi dalam that slide. 2 minit. Simple je tu. Differentiate dia pun senang je. Boleh? Dapat? Dia kena buat exercise. If you tak buat exercise, you akan tidur dalam kelas ni. Dapat tak both side is equals to 0? If dapat, then you understand. Okay, dapat? Okay. Alright. So we move to another example. Tengok slide. Ada banyak lagi ke slide? Banyak lagi. Saya tak boleh nak buat semua example. Okay, let's try C. Example C. Okay, cuba buat example C. Saya dapat example C not a solution for that DE. Okay, let's see this one. So given function is y equals to x exponential to x. This one. DE equation still same. So you need to differentiate twice because the order we have differentiate equation DE power of 2 order 2, so twice you need to differentiate twice. First differentiate, you akan dapat this one. Okay, this one anyone know? Siapa yang tak tahu? I think everyone know, but ada siapa-siapa yang tak tahu tak macam mana nak differentiate this one bila dia ada x dalam dia punya numbers. They combine ada 2x in one number. Everyone know what is product rule? Okay, so everyone know what is product rule. Saya tak perlu beritahu. So you need product rules untuk solve this differential equation. Differentiate this one. So first differentiate, you akan dapat this one. Second differentiate, you akan dapat this one. So all this function equation ada double atau 2x. So you need product rules. And another rules yang another method yang you perlu tahu adalah change apa? Change apa Sai? Change what? Change rules ke change method? Change rules, yeah, change rule. You need to know that, and then you also need to know banyak ni yang awak kena tahu dan dia tak ada dalam dia ada dalam you punya SPM. All these adalah fundamental untuk trigonometry substitution. You also need to know that. And then try identity, you also need to know that. Half angle identity, double angle identity, you need to know that. Okay? Dapat tak? Balik ni buat some revision about trigonometry and then half angle and also double angle identity. Okay? So after substitute these two equation ke dalam DE, then you akan dapat 5 exponential 2x equals to 0. So tak sama, both side not similar. So this is not a solution for DE. Okay? Boleh? Oh, tadi kita buat example D bukan C. Saya nangkau D je. Sorry. Okay, cuba buat C. C dapat tak this one? To be honest, siapa kat sini yang dah lost? Semua on track lagi ya? So tak perlu rehat ya? You need 5 minute break? Okay, so sambil-sambil break, try buat C. Kita rehatlah 5 minit. Okay? Ada yang tak dapat jawapan untuk C? ada 3 orang daripada BK22. Are you new students or I think new student, right? Changing program maybe. Read one now. Ridwana is here.
Yes, doctor.
Are you a new student?
Yeah, I'm a new student.
Changing programs or second intake?
Changing program.
Okay. So, tiga-tiga adalah changing program. Ke tak kenal? Okay. Sebab saya tak familiar dengan nama-nama ni. Kalau BK22. Okay. Back to our lecture. Can we? Okay, let's see example 1.5. Example 1.5, they give you this dE, d power of 2y over dx power of 2 plus dy dx minus 6y equals to 0. So they want you to check either y. Okay, this is the similar example like just now, right? Not this one, but this one. Okay, example 1.6. Example 1.6, try at home. So this is your homework. Dah ada jawapan, tapi this one jawapan yang kita kata not complete lah. Dia dah summarize the solution. So I want you to do full skill of solution. Tunjukkan jalan kerja full. This one dia dah simplify. Boleh? Okay. Alright. Okay. So we move to definition 5. Okay. A solution that contain arbitrary constant, we call it as general solution. This definition you need to know and you need to remember sebab ada soalan dia tak bagi tahu dalam bentuk ABC, dia akan bagi tahu you dalam bentuk words. So kalau dia kata arbitrary general solution, then you need to provide them general solution. Kalau dia kata particular solution, then you need to provide particular solution. Okay, so what is general solution? General solution adalah solution yang ada arbitrary constant. For example, tadi saya kata y equals to mx plus c is a solution for DE, right? So kalau general solution, dia akan ada arbitrary constant dalam dia. For example, this one, y equals to a exponential negative 2x plus b exponential x. Dia ada arbitrary constant a and b. Dia tak ada value, only a and b. So we call this one as solution, general solution. Okay, saya repeat. General solution is a solution that contain arbitrary constant. no value. For example, this one, y equals to a exponential negative 2x plus b exponential x. So they have two arbitrary constant. Okay. What is this is arbitrary constant. This is general solution. Okay. For and then we also have particular solution. What is particular solution? Particular solution is a solution that have value, not only alphabet. Um, if you have solutions A and B, you have their value, and then you put their value into the solution, then we call this solution as particular solution. I repeat, we have two types of solution. First is general solution. General solution have arbitrary constant or alphabet in their solution. And the second one, we have particular solution. Particular solution is a solution when you have value A and B. You don't have any alphabet in your equations. So we call this one as particular solution. Boleh? Is it clear? Okay. So selalunya to generate atau to present particular solution, they will give you boundary or initial condition. This is initial or boundary condition. Y equals to 4 when x equals to 0. So you substitute this value into your solution, then you akan dapat particular solution. Okay? Let's see example 1.7. Okay, example 1.7. This is the given dy over dx minus y equals to x plus 3 exponential to x. Okay, and then first thing you need to find its general solution before you can find particular solution. So to find the general solution, you need to do what? Still remember the previous example? Apa you nak buat daripada they give you differential equation, then you will need to find the solution. Apa yang kena buat? Sai, apa yang kena buat? Okay, so you need to differentiate. You differentiate this equation. Sorry, you differentiate the solution given. So you differentiate the solution given y equals to a exponential x plus 2 exponential to x, and then you akan dapat this one. So you substitute this one and this one into DE and compare both sides, either have the same value or not. So after differentiate, you akan dapat both sides sama dia punya value, x plus 3 exponential 2x. So this is your general solution. So this is your general solution. Okay, dia tak nak general solution, they want particular solution. So to have particular solution, you need to substitute boundary condition y equals to 4, x equals to 0 into your general solution. So after you substitute into your general solution, this one, you akan dapat value a equals to 2. So substitute a equals to 2 dalam you punya general solution, and then itu adalah particular solution you. This one. So you punya general particular solution is y equals to 2x power of x plus 2 exponential 2x. Bolehkah? Dapat? Macam lancar sangat je kelas saya hari ni. Risau saya. Betul ke faham ni? You really understand?
Faham.
Alright. And then next, initial and boundary value. This one easy. What is initial condition? Initial condition adalah value we call initial condition bila value y dan value x have a same value. For example, y equals to 0, x equals to 0. So we call this condition as initial condition. Macam just now, y equals to 4, x equals to 0. So this is not initial condition. So value yang difference untuk y and x, we call it as boundary condition. Okay. So boundary condition, this one is boundary condition. Y equals to 4, x equals to 0, different value. So we call this one as boundary condition. Some of question dia tak bagi dalam bentuk ni. Y equals to 4, x equals to 0. Dia tak bagi. Dia akan bagi dalam bentuk ayat. For example, boundary conditions for this DE is equals to what. Okay. So you need to know and differentiate between initial and boundary condition. Boleh? Okay ke? Faham? Tahu saya. Okay. Example 6. Example 1.8 until 1.9. Sama procedure, sama step macam you buat previously. Example yang lain, cuma dia nak introduce you what is initial and boundary value for boundary initial condition. Problem sama saja dia punya step, so you can try at home. After this, untuk increase you punya understanding. Okay? Ada soalan? So far?
Good.
Okay. Rate 1 until 10. Susah ke so far? Oh, 11, 10. Okay. Lega hati saya.
Hmm?
Okay. So far so good. Okay. Do you still need exercise or tutorial walaupun kita tak decide lagi ada tutorial or not?
Susah ada tak
Saya dah
bilang
provide,
kesusahan.
saya dah prepare
Kesusahan.
tutorial and so on.
Tahu?
Tapi saya tak decide saja lagi saya buat tutorial tetap.
Susah lah.
Sebab kalau ikut kita panggil apa ya? Kalau ikut kaedah, di subjek tak boleh ada tutorial sebab dia akan tambah you punya workload. Sebab this is 2 credit only. Tapi kalau semua bersetuju untuk ada tutorial, then will be no problems lah. If not, kita akan buat exercise dalam lecture sahaja. Okay? Saya nak buka slide tadi. Sebab saya rasa everyone faham, kan? Tak ada soalan, kan? So itu sahaja yang you belajar untuk this week. Definition and simple exercise. Ada soalan? Kata tekan. Okay. Kenapa? Ada soalan?
Doktor, nota ni available ke di ITEL?
Nota ni ya, available kat ITEL. Dapat tak?
Saya tidak jumpa nota ni.
Kan saya tak masukkan lagi ya.
It's not there yet, doctor.
Oh really? Saya masukkan apa ya? Kenapa saya ada?
Yang ada tu yang example yang doktor tulis tu. Soalan-soalan.
Oh, saya bagi jawapan ni dekat awak ni. Saya tersilap masuk. Ini adalah note untuk saya, bukan untuk awak. Sekejap ya, saya tambah. Itu adalah full solution untuk setiap example. Example yang dalam lecture note adalah example yang telah di shortcut. I mean, dia bagi jawapan-jawapan yang penting sahaja, not the full solution. Yang saya masukkan dalam ni adalah full solution. So, siapa yang sempat download tu, rezeki lah tu. Sekejap ya, saya masukkan lecture.
Tapi yang still I ada.
Okay. So, lecture note saya dah masukkan dalam iTab. Okay. So, that's all for today. For lecture. Untuk pop quiz, seperti yang dijanjikan, okay, simple question only. Ini saya ambil soalan SPM. ni bukannya soalan exam SPM, exercise SPM yang paling simple. Kalau tak boleh jawab juga, then we need buat kata timbalan dekat akademik, kita perlukan kelas tuition lah.